If you're experiencing login issues with Berkshire Bank, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to any capitalization or special characters that may be required. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 4. Update your browser. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you are still unable to log in, reach out to Berkshire Bank's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further or reset your password if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.